Go wake up your Bubba and tell him.
Okay.
I got a white puppy.
You got a what?
Daddy. Look at it. I got this.
What is that? It's a kitty.
Look, it's a kitty cat.
Are you sure that's for you?
Yeah.
It's not for me?
Daddy, I'm sure it's for me. Daddy, this has to be for Oliver. I know it has to be.
Yeah?
Just has to be. Daddy, I got a pen that comes with it. And stickers I could put on it.
Too bright.
Oh, I got a kitty cat.
Is all this stuff for you?
Look, I got a kitty cat. I get to comb its hair. Look it, I got some jammies. Heart jam.
Oh, there's. Look at that. This.
Look it. Wow, I got kitty cat
Did
jammies.
Santa bring that for you?
Yeah.
Cool.
Even inside the house. Over. Ooh. This. Ooh. And I even got this.
Cool.
And even I got this. Alder. Okay. What we got brand new socks.
Wow.
We got panda socks. And socks.
This one's for you. That one's Rowan's. Look at this one's for you.
Yes,
Big
Alder.
book for you.
This one's for me. Oh, Alder. This is for me. Yeah. Alder, I can take a look under the tree, little buddy. There's presents.
Who's that one for?
Me, Alder. Can I go ahead and unwrap it?
Watch out. No, you gotta look at the tag. Let's see.
Okay.
Whose name does it say?
Alder.
To Alder, yep.
Who's it from?
Is it from
There you go.
Anma? Making coffee.
Alder,
No.
open it from right here.
Rowie, why don't you get one for yourself? What's that say?
Rowie.
Let me see it.
Okay.
What is that?
Whoa, we got an airplane, two of them.
To Rowan and Alder.
Whoa.
I think they're all to you guys. Both of you.
Hold on, Alder.
You both open that.
Let's open this one together, okay? Okay.
A controller. What are you ever gonna do with that?
Whoa.
What are you gonna do with that?
Let's open this one.
Let's open the rest of your presents first.
Alder. That says second.
That one I think says to Rowan and Alder.
Yes, it does. Come on, let's
Jackie, watch out.
to Rowan,
Jackie.
to Alder, and Rowan.
Watch out.
Alder, this one's
Alder,
to
open
both
that
of
one
us.
up. It's to both of you. found a controller.
What? What is that thing?
Whoa! Mom, look at, we got our own DVD. We got our own controller.
I think it's an Xbox. It's your own video game player.
Mommy, look at this one.
Who does it say it's to?
It says Rowan and Alder.
Does it? Let me see. No, it says to Alder.
Go ahead.
From
open it
Emma
up,
and
Robert.
Grandpa Rennie. Here, Rowie, come here and help me.
Okay.
What?
What? We're getting rid of all these toys.
Dad.
Jack, move. Oh, it needs to open up.
I just want to hold the bag. Can you hold the bags for a minute?
I'll hold the bag.
Mommy, look it.
Cool.
What is that?
To Rowan
This is
and
Rowan.
Oh, right.
Alder.
Super
from Rowan.
Bowl.
This is
Open up
for
that.
Rowan and Alder. Alder, let's open up this one.
Why don't you open up this one to you? From Anma.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
It's just for
Oh, let me see
me.
what it does.
Looks like rubber. That Xbox is pretty cool.
It's from Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
It's for me.
Whoa.
I got my backpack that I can color
That
on.
is cool.
I never got a backpack that I could color on.
You got that,
And
buddy?
it's for 4. Alder, this one's for both of us. Oh. Okay, let's open it. Come on, Lily. What are you
It
doing?
really is a Super Bowl.
But you gotta
We don't have a
blow it
phone.
up. Okay. You gotta blow it up, little buddy. Hey. Alder. This one's for both of us.
Oh, why don't you
there, no,
finish opening up
no.
your presents?
This one is for both of us. Come on, let me turn it over. Whoa.
What is that?
Whoa.
Look at that one with the
Connectimals and Connect Adventures. Why don't you look at the back of it? I'll show you what's going on there. What do you think those are?
Animals. Oh, I got it. They're games.
They are games for the Xbox.
Yes.
Alder, why don't you finish opening up your presents?
Hey Alder,
He wants to play with that.
Alder, go look under the tree. There's more presents for you.
That too.
This one's for me and you again, okay?
To Rowan from Anma.
Oh,
Alder, get another present.
It's for me, Alder. It's wrapping paper. It's just the
I
wrap.
think that's to Rowan.
That's to me, okay? Don't just throw it. And this for me.
That's to Rowan and Alder.
From Papa.
From
So,
Papa.
oh, look it. A unicorn.
It's from Anma. Good. Way cool.
I wanted Twinkle Toes.
Do you like those?
This is for both of us.
Your water's ready.
Play-Doh!
Cool.
That's from your papa.
Whoa!
That looks fun, huh?
Yeah.
There's some more under there.
Mama,
Yes, dear.
let's
That's to Rowan and Alder.
Alder, let's open this one together, okay? I was trying to get you to open this.
Where'd that one come from?
And Jonah.
Whoa, it's a Peter. Whoa, ho! These are games also.
Wow.
There's one from Jonah up there on your Play-Doh set.
Yep.
Right in front of you. Look down.
How am I supposed to make?
That present. That's to Rowan and Alder.
Come on, Alder. You already tried to open this thing. Look it. Look it. Look what we got for us.
Oh, the Connect 4 launchers.
Yeah.
Alright.
You got your Connect 4 launchers?
Yep.
Yes. Alder. This one is for you.
No, that's for Rowan and Alder from Papa.
Oh, so both of them. Alder, I gotta turn it over to this side so it can be better for us. This is the side that we rip, really rip. Whoa! More Play-Doh, I think.
It's a box full of Play-Doh.
It's a big old box.
It's like 36 things of Play-Doh.
Alder,
Okay, let me see whose name is on that.
Oh no, it's Alder's.
Alright, Alder.
Go ahead and open it.
I wonder what it is.
Is that all the presents? I want to check.
Socks!
Yes!
Is that all the presents?
Yeah!
Alright.
Look it!
What is that?
Socks!
Awesome. Are these for me?
No, me!
That's for you? New socks for you.
Alder, check out that bike that Santa brought you.
Yeah, that thing is
I
awesome.
want to open up my kitty cat.
Bring it over here, I'll do it.
Okay.
Want some stuff over.
Look at my humongous kitty!
Did Santa bring you that kitty, Ro?
Yeah!
Did you guys say thank you, Santa?
Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
You guys hear him come?
No.
I thought I heard him. I tried staying up and waiting for him, but I just could not stay awake.
Well, you're not supposed to.
I think he's got some kind of magic that makes me fall asleep.
Daddy. Daddy, how do I get out of this mess with my bike?
You gotta move the mess.
Oh. With my
There you go.
bike?
Can we get that for you too?
Yeah. Daddy just gonna put me here.
Huh? Cool. There you go.
That's a pretty kitty.
Mommy, but
Come on then, buddy.
I need to.
Okay. Oh. These are your brakes, okay?
Okay.
Oh, those are really
Daddy,
hard.
But it's fun.
Okay, let go of it.
He's got regular wheel brakes too, drum brakes too. He'll figure it out.
Wahoo!
Looks like the handle nut bars need to go back a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Pushing backwards. Gotta go forward. Nice.
Daddy, pat my kitty cat.
Yeah. Steer it around. Whoa.
Daddy, watch this.
What are we doing?
We're gonna make it. Uh-oh, we're stuck. Okay.
You like that, Kitty?
Yeah, watch it. Oh, we'll put its paw up on it.
Merry Christmas, little girl.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Oh,
Look
dang
it.
it, we were really going to.
Its paw was up.
Let me see. That's it.
Sure.
House is too small. Turn. Turn. Yahoo!
Daddy.
I'm waving at it. Let's see.
Maybe try a different mode.
Might need batteries. Her name is Lulu.
Or whatever you want to name it.
Now let's open this box.
Together we're a perfect pair. I love to curl up in your lap and be close to you, just like a real kitty. When you pet me, I'll purr happily and roll back so you can pet my tummy.
Daddy.
See that kitty. She likes you. She is rolling back.
I'm gonna brush your tail.
Okay.
She comes with a comb.
Cool. Those jammies match your kitty, don't they?
Oh, Mommy, look it.
Huh.
You guys want to play with that thing?
Yeah.
Alder, come here, I'll help you.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Merry Christmas, Alder.
You know what this does, too? You know what this does?
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Jackie.
Merry
Christmas. Are you Santa? You are?
Merry